Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking a massive deep dive into a country that is honestly one of the most interesting places on the planet. I am talking about Azerbaijan. You might have heard it called the land of fire, and today we are going to find out exactly why while exploring everything from its futuristic cities to its ancient mountain villages. So grab a snack, maybe a cup of tea, because tea is a huge there and let's get into it. To start, let's talk about where we actually are on the map. Azerbaijan is tucked away in a spot called the South Caucasus. It's right at the crossroads of Eastern Europe and Western Asia. To the east, you have got the giant Caspian Sea, which is actually the world that's just in there body of water. To the north is Russia, to the south is Iran, and to the west is Georgia and Armenia, because it's right in the middle of all these big cultures. The country feels like a perfect mix of Turkish, Persian and Russian influences, but with their its own very unique Azri twist. One of the coolest things about the geography here is the variety. Azerbaijan actually has 9 out of 11 possible climate zones. You can be in a lush green forest one hour, a hot desert the next, and then find yourself staring at snow-capped mountains or a beautiful coastline. It's like the whole world weather is packed into one small country. Now let's talk about the nickname, the land of fire. This isn't just a cool marketing slogan, it's literally true because there is so much oil and natural gas under the ground. The gas sometimes leaks out through cracks into the earth. In some places, if a spark hits it, the ground catches fire and stays burnt for years, even in the rain or snow. There's a place called Yanar Dog, which means burning mountain, where you can stand right next to the wall of flame that has been burning for at least 60 years. And unlike and likely much longer, in ancient times people saw this and thought it was magic or a sign from the god, which is why fire became a huge part of their early vision and culture. Speaking of fire, we have to talk about the capital city Baku. If you saw a picture of Baku and didn't know where it was, you might think it was Dubai or Singapore. It is incredibly modern. The skyline is dominated by the Flame Towers, three massive skyscrapers shaped like tongues of fire that light up at night to look like they are actually flickering. But what makes Baku special is the contrast. Right next to these shiny glass buildings is the old city or in Hercules. This is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. When you walk through the gates, it's like stepping back 800 years. The streets are narrow and made of cobblestones, and the buildings are made up of old yellow limestone. You will have seen the Maiden Tower, which is a big mystery because nobody is 100% sure what it was originally built for, and the place of the Shivenshaws where the old ruler used to live. It's amazing how you can stand in the medieval doorway and see a futuristic skyscrapers right behind it. Moving away from the city, we have to talk about one of the weirdest and coldest natural wonders in Azerbaijan, the mud volcanoes. Most people think of volcanoes as giant mountains with hot lava, but these are different. They are small hills that bubble up cold grey mud from deep underground. Azerbaijan has nearly half of all the mud volcanoes in the world. You can actually walk right up to them, and sometimes people even bathe in the mud because it's supposed to be really good for your skin. It feels like you are walking on the surface of the moon. Now, let's get into the heart of country, the people and the culture. People in the Azerbaijan are known for being incredibly hospitable. If you are a guest in Azerbaijan home, expect to be fed until you can't move, and it always starts and ends with tea. They drink black tea out of these beautiful, small pear-shaped glasses called armudu. They do not usually put sugar in the tea. Instead, they take a bite of fruit jam or a sugar cube and then sip the tea through it. The food is a huge highlight. The national dish is called lo. It's a saffron-flavored rice dish, but every region has its own version. Some have dried fruits and nuts, others have slow-cooked meat. Then there's layula kebab, which is delicious grilled meat, and sometimes something called dolma, which are grape leaves stuffed with meat and rice. And for dessert, you have to try baklava. It's similar to baklava. If you like my this video, please like, subscribe, share, and watch my all video I uploaded. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.